For number 1, we have y is equals to x raised to 5 plus 3x cubed plus 7. To derive this, we need to derive them term by term. So we have the derivative of y with respect to x is equals to the derivative of x raised to 5 plus the derivative of 3x cubed plus the derivative of 7. The derivative of x raised to 5 is 5 times x raised to 5 minus 1 plus the derivative of 3x cubed. We just copy the 3, then derive the x cubed. The derivative of x cubed is 3x. 3 minus 1 is 2. So we have 3x squared. Then plus the derivative of a constant is 0. So our final answer is 5x raised to 4 plus 3 times 3, 9. And 9x squared. And this is our final answer. For number 2, we have y is equals to 4x raised to 6 minus 2x raised to 4 plus 5x. To derive this, we have to take the derivative of each term. So dy over dx is equals to the derivative of 4x raised to 6 minus the derivative of 2x raised to 4 plus the derivative of 5x. For the derivative of 4x raised to 6, we just copy the 4 and then take the derivative of x raised to 6. The derivative of it is 6x raised to 6 minus 1 is 5 minus the derivative of 2x raised to 4. The derivative of it, we just copy 2, then take the derivative of x raised to 4, which is 4x raised to 3. Then for the last term is the derivative of 5x. The derivative of 5x is just 5 because the exponent of x will become 0 when you subtract 1, and x is equals to 0 is equals to 1. So the final answer is 4 times 6 is equals to 24. Therefore, 24x raised to 5 minus 2 times 4 is 8. 8x raised to 3 or 8x cubed plus 5. And this is our final answer. For number 3, we have 7x squared minus 3x plus 4. The derivative of this is the derivative of y with respect to x is equals to the derivative of 7x squared minus the derivative of 3x plus the derivative of 4. The derivative of 7x squared is, we copy 7 and take the derivative of x squared, which is 2x raised to 2 minus 1. For the second term, the derivative of 3x is, we copy 3, then the derivative of x is x raised to 1 minus 1. Then the derivative of 4 is 0 because it is a constant. Then 7 times 2 is 14. For the exponent of x will become 2 minus 1 is 1. Therefore, it is just x. Then minus 3. X raised to 1 minus 1 is equals to x raised to 0, and x raised to 0 is equals to 1. Therefore, you don't need to write it. Then, this is our final answer. Number 4, we have y is equals to 10x cubed plus 2x squared minus 6x plus 8. Let's derive them term by term. Therefore, dy over dx is equals to 10. Then the derivative of x cubed is 3x. 3 minus 1 is 2. So we have 3x squared plus 2. Then the derivative of x squared is just 2x minus the derivative of 6x is just 6. Then the derivative of a constant is 0. Then 10 multiplied by 3 is 30. Then copy the x squared plus 2 times 2x is 4x minus 6. This is our final answer. For number 5, we have y is equals to 5x raised to 4 minus 7x raised to 3 plus 3x squared minus x plus 12. The derivative of y with respect to x is equals to the derivative of 5x raised to 4 is 5 and 4x raised to 4 minus 1 is 3 minus copy the 7, then take the derivative of x cubed. The derivative of it is 3x squared plus copy the 3, then take the derivative of x squared, which is just 2x minus the derivative of x is just 1. Then the derivative of 12 is 0. Five times 4 we have 20x cubed minus 7 times 3 is 21. Then copy the x squared plus 3 times 2x is 6x, then minus 1. And here we have our final answer.